Good morning. I thought I'd give you a quick update as to what's happening at the Vallette pools, the Cowan Port George stairway. As you may remember, it collapsed a couple of years ago after a voluntary group removed all the vegetation from above the aquarium entrance and around the stairs. So the states have actually pulled its finger out after just a couple of years, and now we've got NSP Foundations, Guernsey's leading civil engineering contractor. Never heard of them, but they're here doing quite a good job by the looks of it. We've been here for 4 weeks, I think, thereabouts. So soon there'll be access back up to a Cowhorn from here instead of having to go all the way around up the Vallette and cut through, or coming down from Port George. And of course the cliff walkers will be able to go all the way through. Pardon me. So you can see it's a little bit choppy this morning. High tide was probably going to be 9 o'clock today, thereabouts. I can't remember, not having looked at the tide table for the last couple of days. I think that'll do you. Slight drizzle. Of course, you got the monstrosity replacing the old cap there. Haven't tried it yet. Looks ugly, but we'll see what it's like one day. That's it for now. If you like my videos, please consider hitting the like button, and if you'd like to see more of them, consider pushing the subscribe button and the bell icon, which will inform you whenever I post new videos. Okay, thank you. That's it for now. Bye bye.